Today we're going to show you how to create external approval packages. Into your Simplified account, go to the social media. Click on Drafts. Then click on the client review icon at the top of the screen. Click on Create Bundle button. Fill in the fields with the name and description. And click on Create Bundle. Check the drafts you want to add to the client review bundle, and click on Add Drafts. Now you can share the bundle by copy the link or send it to an email. You will be able to see whether drafts have been approved, rejected, or pending review. And that's it. To more videos, check our Academy and Help Center.